point, if the Prime Minister could give us a commitment, is I understand much of the funding for Connect PNG is coming out of OPTEDI, is coming out of Kutubu, and it's coming out of Kumul Petroleum Holdings and a host of other companies in terms of tax credit. Could you also tell the House how much of Connect PNG is being funded through the tax credit scheme, and what is the impact, because you are taking out future revenue? Again, I remind you of Section 209 of the Constitution. If you could tell the House and give us some transparency. The other thing I would like to know is there a definition of which roads qualify as Connect PNG roads and which roads are provincial roads or district roads? Because the MPA covers provincial and district roads. So if either the Minister or the Prime Minister, based on his current undertaking, could tell the country which roads qualify to be funded under Connect PNG and which roads do not. Finally, the Prime Minister made a reference to the final budget outcome, and I've made mention before, Deputy Speaker, and since the good Prime Minister has given this House and the people of Papua New Guinea an undertaking, I'd like him to go further. In the 2023 FBO, a total of 980 million was moved from health, education, law and order, and a whole host of important sectors and paid to certain provinces. And that is clearly indicated in the 2023 FBO. Could the Prime Minister also give the people of Papua New Guinea an undertaking to bring a report to the floor that indicates which provinces were paid these funds and for what purposes? Thank you, Mr. Deputy.